mother telling us that rumors are flying in the community where I am currently working that children are being given COVID-19 vaccine during their normal immunization routine. How true is this? Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as a nurse with a difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Like I earlier said, we got an information from a nursing mother that nurses are giving newborn babies COVID-19 vaccine during their normal immunization route. What really happened? But the fact is, there is a change in the normal immunization routine of the Nigerian immunization card. So this video, I'm going to be explaining the various changes that take place and what happened, if it is really COVID-19 that is being given to these babies or not. But before we go into details, if you are a new subscriber, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today we are going to be analyzing the new immunization card for children in Nigeria. Normally, when a child is given birth to, they are expected to come for the various immunization. For mothers that don't know about the various immunization, you can click on the link in our bio to get information about the various immunization which I dished out. That was some days ago. So this video, I'm going to be explaining the changes that took place in the normal routine vaccination of our children. But before I go into details, COVID-19 vaccine is not given to newborn babies. We are not giving COVID-19 vaccine to children during their immunization routine. What happened is that when a child is given birth to, at 14 weeks, the child is given a vaccine known as IPV, which is inactivated polio vaccine. But the new regime now states that 2 doses of IPV to be given to children less than 2 years. So when a child is being born, the 6 weeks, the child is given IPV 1. Then 14 weeks, the child is given IPV 2. Normally, IPV is usually given at the 14 weeks. But with the new change, IPV 1 is given when the child is when the child is 6 weeks, and IPV 2 is given when the child is 14 weeks. So what happened is that the healthcare sector are not giving IPV 2 to children that are less than 2 years. Children that are less than 2 years are given IPV 2. So when a child comes for a 6 months immunization and this child has taken IPV 1 and has not taken IPV 2, so we give this child vitamin A and IPV 2. When a child comes for a 9 months immunization and we find out that this child has not taken IPV 2, we give that child IPV 2. So that is the change that took place. So some mothers that noticed these changes, we are not giving COVID-19 vaccine. It was just a change in the number of doses for the inactivated polio vaccine. So your child is going to be taking IPV 1 in 6 weeks and also IPV 2 in the 14th weeks. Then if your child is less than 2 years, when the child is coming for the next immunization, the child will be given IPV 2. So that is what happened with the changes in the immunization schedule. So it's not something we should be worried about, and children are not given the COVID-19 vaccine because we owe our patient a duty of conduct to always tell them the truth about what they are taking. So we can't give your child, we can't give you COVID-19 vaccine without you knowing what you are taking into the body. I hope this video helped to explain the various changes that took place in the vaccination of a child. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For those that are student nurses that are not part of our classes on Telegram, sincerely, you have been missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen to have access to all our videos. Thank you very much and do have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.